Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use inbox in ClickUp. And the first thing that you're going to do right here is go to ClickUp, log in with your account, and then left in the top you will find right here the inbox option. So most of the time when you're right here at your space, you can click right here on inbox. Then right now you will have right here 4 categories that you can click on. So primary, other, later or cleared. So let's, for example, go now to a team space and you created right here a nice to-do on the to-do list. Then we can click right here on the 3 dots and then we can select right here remind me in inbox, and then we do maybe in 20 minutes, something like that. Then if you go to your inbox, you will get right here a notification with a reminder. So reminders and very important stuff come right here in your primary. Then you will find right here other, and here will come notifications from tasks that they did or other stuff from your workspaces that will come right here. Now, when you received an email right here or a task, you can also click right there to do that later or finish it later or whatever you want. And then it comes right here in this list later. You can also go to primary and select then right here clear, and then you can go right here to clear, and then you will find it right here at clear. Now, if you want to unclear it, you do unclear, and then it's standing again here at primary. Now it's gone because we already did that task. But this is how you can use the inbox and how it works. So if you have any questions about the inbox, please comment it down below so I can help you out. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.